Wow, wow, absolutely breathtaking. Nature at its very, very best. Wow, mind blowing. Something I've never seen before in my life. Wow, wow. Water gushing out from this small hole. Beautiful. Wow, wow, man, wow. Samrat here at Kayama. This is the place where I want to come to visit this spectacle of nature. Kayama is a 2 hours train journey from Sydney. Must visit place, $6 it costs in the train to come here. You should must come to Kayama if you're in Sydney. Can't afford to miss this place and see this beautiful spectacle of nature. Isn't it? Every penny of it. I took a right decision to come to Kayama. And I'm sure anybody who wants to plan to come to Kayama will not repent this decision. I can't take the camera off. You never know when it is going to explode. But the background, the beautiful oceanic view is also equally breathtaking. Come on, let me show the beautiful rocks which has been carved out from nature, and this, wow, the grand finale. Beautiful. So this is how the entire thing looks like. And this is how people have gathered to see it. And I'm signing off from Kayama. Take care, guys, and love you all.